Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a back car seat cover for your pets from Fogimo. Let's get to it. Alright, so as I begin to open this, I'm gonna put in some images here on the screen for you guys to see. I got this from Fogimo's Amazon store and on the online store, and I think they did a pretty good job at displaying what this cover actually does on the back seat of your car. You can actually even use it as a picnic mat if you desire. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys a little bit higher on the image, like a sort of like a bird's eye view, so you guys can see this all spread out here on the table because it's a little bit big. So I need to show you guys a better point of view of it. So let me go ahead and get this open and start spreading it out. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, so here is the cover itself. I'm not sure this will fit the entire imagery of the camera, but we're gonna try. Oh, it's a nice little thank you note that came from them. Put this inside. And we got several straps. These straps usually will be the ones to connect from to the back seat headrests, as you guys saw in the images, and the handrests on the roof of the ceiling of the car. Here we are. So we got 4 in total. Got it. All right. So put it to the side. Let's open this up. It comes with a lot of pockets. Yeah. Oh yeah, this thing is quite big. Comes with a handle here as well. No, these are the headrest straps. Okay, we're gonna find out soon enough when I take it to my car and put it all together. I just want to see how this looks. All right, so this is quite big. So this must be the mesh that goes towards the driver's side. Like here's the back seat, this is the driver's side, this will be it, so you guys can see your dog and air can go through it. That's nice. All right, so now that we got like a visual of it, I'm gonna go ahead and take this into my car and see how it all goes together. There's one more thing I want to point out before I put this on the car. See, on the corners, to create like a square shape so it'll fit perfectly on the back seat, it comes with these zippers, and I've been playing with them a little bit. You have to make sure you put it like close together like so, and then you can begin to zip it up, see? Because I was actually having a hard time putting it together. I was like, what's wrong with me? Am I losing it? And that's not it. It's just you gotta align it right, like so. Make sure it's together, and then you can start zipping it up. Anyway, just want to point that out. All right, everybody. So right now I'm gonna see if I can actually lay everything down back here, put the straps on the headrest, and see how it'll stay stable. I'll get to that actually. So I got the straps here with me. I'm gonna put them down for a moment, and I believe the mesh area, that one points towards the driver and front passenger side. Here we go. So this head strap goes right here. See? This one back here. Put the headrest. This one back here as well. Some assembly required, obviously. And this part goes right here. This one goes on this one. Okay. Looking good. Looking pretty good so far. And this one goes up here. All right, so now, in order to create a most square shape, we're gonna take these straps. They're gonna hang from up here, from the handrest on the back seat. This clip will go right here, like so. And this one will go like so. This will in turn actually create a situation where when you have the windows open, the dog wants to climb up, it won't scratch the door. I think that's great. Let me go ahead and set the rest up and see how it looks. Okay, so it's right here all set up. So you guys can see that leans towards the window area so the dog can stand, not scratch the door too much, if at all. I got the back seats straps adjusted, because they are adjustable, to create a more square shape, because it was a little bit loose. So I actually straightened out the straps, and now it looks more square, better shape. I also noticed down here some pockets that open up. Let me see if I can actually open it. They'll Velcro. Okay, come on 1 second. Okay, that's the Velcro pocket. This allows you to actually get access into your seatbelt locks. So if you want to have a baby cart seat back here next to the dog, that will actually work. That's a nice thought. They thought about that. That's nice. So here are gonna be my test subjects. That is Jackie, my furry little sister. It's my mom's dog, and this is Olaf, my furry little nephew. This is my sister's dog. I'm dog sitting them, and let's take it for a ride. See how it goes. All right. So we are heading out. Let me make sure that I don't crash. I'll hold the camera. I think they're having fun, huh? They're just chilling back there, relaxing. All right, so the plan is I'm gonna take them to it's like a little doggy, not really a doggy park. There's like a wide section of grass close to a school that's currently closed at the moment, and I'm gonna take them there. Yeah, let's see how they like it. You guys are comfy back there? You got your blankies? All right, good. Going for a ride, baby. Okay, I have arrived. It's like a wide field of grass. They can actually walk out. They seem to be doing fine. All right, we're going inside, guys. All right, let me go take him out. All right, guys, let's go outside. Come here. You come up, Ollie. Let's go. Go for a walk. Okay, let's go. Go for a walk. Go do poopy and pee-pee. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like inside at the moment. Stay out here. So they didn't make a lot of mess, you know. The hair stays in place. That's kind of cool. I like that. It's nice. It doesn't dirty the back seat. I find it's quite useful. I know it's a little bit weird, but if you're raising toddlers, I've raised toddlers before. The back seat of your car, your minivan, your SUV is gonna be a small war zone per se. So I think that comes in handy as well if you happen to have any toddlers. All the mess they can make, it stays there as well, together with the dogs. Well, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative. This will conclude the video. Right now, they're just running around doing their thing. Where's Jackie at? She disappeared. Jackie! Oh, there she is. She's sniffing around. There she is. Anyway, guys, see you guys in the next one. Later.